Hi guys, in this video we will disassemble and clean the throttle valve. The task of the throttle valve is to regulate the amount of air supply to the intake manifold. Its position is adjusted in accordance with the position of the accelerator pedal. The damper drive can be mechanical, using a cable, and electric, using an electric motor. The position of the remote sensing device is fixed by the special sensor. It transmits the relevant information to the echo and it, in turn, divides on the amount of fuel supply and the change in the engine operating mode. But before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not to miss new video on the channel. In order not to confuse the symptoms indicating excessive carbon deposit on the damper, it's better to visually inspect it first. And if there are no visible oil or cake deposit on the walls of the throttle assembly, then more likely you will not fix the problem by cleaning the throttle valve. Things look like this: problematic engine start, uneven engine operation, floating idle speed, stack engine speed, dips of revolution to a complete stop. First of all, you need to get to the damper itself. The design is varied in different engines, but as a rule, for this you need to remove the air duct that goes from the damper to the air filter. Dismantle the damper. To do this, unscrew a few fastening screws, 2 or 3 pieces, and also disconnect the necessary connectors. For example, the connector from the absorb purge valve. Use a carburetor cleaner for cleaning. This is a wide variety of them, and in a car dealership you can easily find a tool in accordance with your performance and capability. Using a rag and the above mentioned product, thoroughly wipe the chassis inside and out. You also need to clean the protective grille if present in your vehicle. Also, many car owners are interested in the question of how to clean the throttle valve without removing it. Such method to exist, but you must immediately understand that high quality cleaning is possible only when dismantling the damper. To do this, you need special tool, an intake track cleaner. You can use different brands. Also for cleaning, you can use Jaeger valve cleaning fluid or WD-40 solvents. So the produce without removing the knot. As in the previous algorithm, you need to remove the air duct to get to the damper. With the shutter closed, spray the surface with cleaning liquid and remove the cleaning dirt with a rag. Open the flap and remove dirt from the side surface. Try to get the cleaning agent into the channel. The cleaning procedure is the same with the clothes. It should also be remembered that in most cases, after cleaning the throttle valve, it's necessary to perform a learning step. This procedure is carried out either using a computer, connect it to the car ECU, or by manipulating the ignition and the gas pedal. In this case, it is impossible to give universal recommendation, since they can differ significantly for each manufacturer and even model. Remember this. The cause of pollution and how to deal with them. There are several reasons why the throttle valve gets dirty over time. By altering their appearance, you will automatically extend the time between cleaning it. The reasons mentioned include the use of low-quality gasoline. If there is any sediment in it, then it will surely fall into the throttle assembly, where it will turn into carbon deposit. Therefore, try to fill in high-quality gasoline and refuel at proven gas station. Clogged fuel filter. If you don't change the fuel filter in time, this is a possibility that the piece of dirt from it will get into the fuel system, including the throttle assembly. Dust and dirt getting into the intake system. This can be caused by various reasons: clogging of air filter, damage to integrity of the air duct, various mechanical influence. Blow-by gases without oil dust. They are the main cause of oil deposit on the damper. They can enter the combustion chamber through the valve cover from the crankcase ventilation system. The situation is aggravated by the fact that they carry oil dust. It burns out and remains in the form of sediment on the surface of the throttle valve. Change the air and fuel filter in time. Fill a high-quality gasoline, and don't allow dust to enter vehicle ventilation system. All this will save you from having to clean the throttle valve ahead of schedule. There are a number of special products available for cleaning the throttle valve surface. Same for craftsmen use WD-40, acetone, solvent, and other similar compounds of this. In principle, they can be used, but there is an increasing risk of damage to anything inside in the engine. To date, a large number of special means for carrying out the mentioned procedure are sold in a car dealership. They are all relatively expensive. Therefore, taking in account the fact that it is necessary to clean the throttle valve so often, then any car owner is able to purchase a similar tool for himself. That's all, guys. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put a like and put a bell so as not to miss new video on the channel.